Hi, this is Sandra Henry-Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on NetworkWorld. In this Linux tip, we'll look at some of the various ways that you can use the date command. Of course, the easiest way is to simply type date and nothing else, and you get the current date and time and the day of the week. If, on the other hand, if you want to see the date in the short format, where you just get two-digit day, month, and year, you can use a command like this. So we can see it's actually October 24th, 2023. So we see that in that format. And if you want to see date information for a date that's in the past or in the future, you can use a command like that. So looks like Christmas in 2023 is going to be on a Monday. You can also use the date command to look at the time in some other time zone. I happen to be on the East Coast, but I'm going to see what time it is right now in Los Angeles. And it's a few hours earlier, of course. And if I want to look at the date and time associated with a file, in other words, the time that it was last updated, I can use the date-r command like that. And it shows me the time and date that that file was last updated. Well, that is your Linux tip for the date command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and NetworkWorld.com.